To wrap up this year's 12 Days of Giving, I wanted to show you how I made this easy pumpkin wreath. You only need a few materials and a little more than an hour to make a craft come to life. You need orange and green yarn, a circle form, green pipe cleaner, your glue gun, and scissors. I used a leftover piece from an embroidery hoop for my form. To make my pom-poms, I will use the same method that I used to make my pom-pom rug. I will attach a link to that video in the description box below. Tie them to the wreath one at a time so that they cover all the way around. Now make 2 smaller pom-poms from your green yarn. Tie them onto the top of the wreath to act as the stem. Wrap 2 or 3 pipe cleaners around your fingers to curl the ends and attach them to the wreath. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.